Everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about conditional probability. So what's there in conditional probability? Suppose for probability of any event A, we know that is equals to number of event which favors A divided by total number of sample set. Now if I will say this A given B, what is the meaning of A given B? That probability of A given that B already occurs. So for this, if I will draw the Venn diagram, just check. This is my total sample set. Now this is my A set, this is my B set. I want my B already occurred. This is the case where the B set already occurs. Now from there, what is the probability of A? That is, this portion will come out. So probability of A given B or probability of A given B already occurs. That will be probability of A intersection B. This is the common part. That will be the favorable one divided by probability of B, which also further can be written as N of A intersection B divided by NS divided by NB divided by NS. NS cancel out. So it will be N of A intersection B divided by NB. But please be very careful. Either you use this formula or use this formula. Don't just mix these two formula. So let's do couple of sums based on this. So first sum that I am going to do, suppose in a school there are 1000 students. Out of these 1000 students, 600 are boys, 400 are girls. And out of these 600 boys, there are 400 boys who are blind and 200 are not. And out of these 400 girls, we have 300 blind and 100 are not. Okay. So what is the probability that the child, suppose first question I am asking, what is the probability that the child is blind? What is the probability that the child is blind given that the child is a girl? So probability of blind girl, what is the probability? First, how many blind girls are there? This 300. So blind girl will be 300 divided, probability of blind girl will be 300 divided by 1000. And what is the probability of girl? That is 400 divided by 1000. So the answer will be 3 divided by 4. Same question, just I am changing probability of girl provided that the child is blind. Just check. Please be very careful what is given that case. The child is blind, that is given that case. Now how many blind child I have there? That is 400 plus 300, that is 700. So out of that 700 child, how many child is girl? That is this 400, right? Is it? Or this 300 rather. These 400 girls are not all blind. These 300 girls are blind. So out of this 700 blind, I have to select how many girls blind are there. That is this 300. So your answer will be 3 divided by 7. Next question. 2 digits are selected at random from the digit 1 to 9. So if I write all the digits of 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 digits we have to select. How many ways I can do it? 2 digit selection from this 9 digit, that can be done in 9 C2 ways, right? If the sum is even, now check. Out of this digit, these digits are odd and these are my even digit, right? So when my sum of the digit will be even, when my sum of the digit is even, so that time my digits are, two cases can happen. First case, both digits are even, or both digits are odd. Think about it. Both digits are odd. If I'll add 2 odd numbers, I get even number. So how many ways I can make that sum even? Just check. Both digits are odd. How many ways I can do it? So I have to select 2 digit out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any of these 5 digits. So that can be done by 5C2 ways, right? Both digits are even. How many ways I can do it? That time I have to select those 2 digits from 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4C2, right? So what's the probability of sum is even? Probability of sum is even, that is equals to 4C2 plus 5C2 divided by 9C2. If the sum is even, what's the probability that both digits are odd? What's the probability of both digits are odd? Both digits are odd. That is 5C2 divided by 9C2. Right? So what's the probability that both digits are odd given that the sum is even? So that will be equals to 5C2 divided by 9C2 divided by 4C2 plus 5C2 divided by 9C2. So if I just calculate 5C2, that will be equals to, if I calculate 5C2, that will be 5 into 20 divided by 20 plus 12, so 20 by 2. 20 by 2 plus 12 by 2. So answer is 20 divided by 32, answer is 5 divided by 8. If you don't know how to calculate for this 5C2 and 4C2 and all this, please check my video of probability, permutation combination. Next one, I roll 2 dice and get a sum more than 9. Next time, I roll 2 dice and get a sum more than 9. So what are the options? The sum can be 10, 11 and 12. So what's the option for 10? It can be 6, 4, it can be 5, 5, it can be 4, 6. For 11, 6, 5, 5, 6. For 12, it's 6, 6. So total option we have 6, right? So I roll 2 dice and get a sum more than 9. What's the probability that the number on the first die is even? Probability that number on the first die is even. Number on the first die is, it's even given that sum is more than 9. Again, if I discuss, so it will be probability of number on the first die even, intersection sum is more than 9. This part intersection divide by probability of sum is more than 9. Right? So what is the probability of intersection part of this two? Just check. When the sum is more than 9 and the first digit is even. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 cases. So the option answer will be 4 divided by 36 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 divided by 36. That will be 2 divided by 3. I was discussing that thing. Don't write the answer from 4 divided by 6. Because that time it will be wrong. Because you can't directly write probability of anything as 4. So you have to represent in this format that it is becoming like 4 divided by the whole set and 6 divided by the whole set. Please be very careful. Don't write the answer from 4 divided by 6. That will become wrong. Okay. Next one. I roll 2 dice and get an even number on the first die. Now even number on the first die. Even on the first die is given. And what is the probability sum is more than 9? We have to find out the probability that sum is more than 9. That probability that sum is more than 9 given that even on the first die. So how many dice we have even number on the first die? If you calculate out of 18, just think about these 36 outcomes. If you have any doubt, check my video on dice, you will understand. So out of this 18 outcome, just check how many outcome has even number on the first die. This 4 outcome is even number on the first die and sum is more than 9. So it will be 4 divided by 36. If you simplify, the answer is 2 divided by 9. That's it. If you have any doubt, please write me in the comment box. Thank you.